Another day in the workshop as the work begin. To be a welder is a divine calling. Okay, observing a spark and the chips fly, and while you're crafting your idea through different type of methods, it is not an easy task. Okay, but actually this particular profession requires passion, it requires determination, it requires focus and seriousness, because you have to put your mind to the work and you have to ensure that this particular work that you are doing actually bring joy to the end users. Okay, so doing this particular type of work is something that brings so much joy because of the end result of what we are building, and the problem is going to solve, impact is going to make on the end users, that is the consumers. And that is the most important things of all, because we actually take risks, and just imagine those sparks flying all over the place. Sometimes they also enter the PPE, they enter the booze and all of this. So but actually this particular work require diligence, and they also require focus, and you need to have a very relaxed mind whenever you are doing this work, because anytime you are vulnerable to accident, that's part of the safety measure put in place. There are so many places you can enjoy yourself, but so doing this type of job, I think that is one of the defining moments, and seeing passing through weeks just to produce something that will help others, help society out there. Yes, so actually weathers are people with focus, people with determination, people that are very dedicated. It's a very dedicated profession as well. Yes, so and the most important thing is, after you have completed all, you see your handwork, and that bring your joy all together. So I thought of sharing this